I've got a full-time job and a YouTube channel to manage. How do I make it work? If you're curious, let me tell you all about it. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Lesson I Learned, My Story, His Glory. This is actually my second YouTube channel. My first was created 4 years ago, but I put it on pause, and just recently I decided to revive. So while working on my first channel, I gained a lot of experience and learned some valuable things about managing a YouTube channel. And that's how I ended up creating this second channel to share my experiences, and by the help of God, I'm able to continue doing it both. Actually, my workplace is far from my home, so my daily commute takes about 3 hours one way and the same time on the way back. So that's a total of 6 hours traveling time. And I use that 6 hours for my researching, for reading the Bible, for practicing some songs, and that's all when I came up with the topics that I post on my YouTube channel. Before I decided to revive my old channel, I was watching YouTube videos. I realized something, and I thought of having a second channel where I can share all my experiences about creating my first YouTube channel, and at the same time my own experiences with God's glory, which is, for me, I think it's much easier because I will just record myself and just talk. So first, my first YouTube created back then, I have to type all my content into a tool which is typing. I was using Canva. Then I use another tool which is OpenShot to connect, add music, background for that video. On top of that, I've always loved creating videos that I can share with others. And then the Holy Spirit whispered to me, you can use this 3 hours commute for your new channel. So I turned to ChatGPT for some brainstorming on creating my channel. It really helped me organize my thoughts, and I started jotting down all the ideas that were popping into my head, and I also searched for the tools that I could use. My first channel is focusing on reading niche, okay? That is my first channel, but I wanted to add my own voiceover. That was happened later on. So I began using my mobile to record my voice. Then the idea of creating another YouTube channel, it keeps nagging at me like a voice in my head. And I thought about it many times, and this is what it came out. Normally, I use notes app on my phone to write down any ideas that would come to my mind, and that's a lot of ideas actually based on my experience. And the funny thing is, after I write something down, I end up encountering the same thing as I was thinking about earlier, and that's when I started working on my second channel, which I'm thankful to God. I'm always so excited about the topic that I'm working on, even when I am walking around or I am just like sitting on my car leaf. My mind is constantly busy thinking about how to start, what to do next. I just keep typing away on my phone. Sometimes, even when I'm washing dishes and an idea pops up into my head, I will stop and quickly type it into my phone so I don't forget them. Then during the weekend, I piece all together all the topics I'd been working on. I gradually build it up while I'm on my way to office or going home. I use my email, my WhatsApp to save research links, and I also save royalty-free songs for my videos, and all of them are stored in my Google Drive. so I can just copy and paste the link when it's time for me to upload to my YouTube channel. I don't know how long I'm gonna be doing this, but one thing for sure, I'm happy with it, that I'm doing it, even though I'm busy. For me, that 6-hour commute still feels productive, and I hope this encourage you to start your own YouTube channel, because if I can do so, you can do also. So the next videos will be followed of all the stories, my own story, my own experiences, my own testimony that will give glory to our God. So I hope I'll see you again on my next video. Bye for now. God bless.